Good afternoon to all. Vidyalakshmi, Matriculation High Secondary School Principal. This is regarding learning audit. I would like to emphasize on this topic, learning audit. What do you mean by learning audit? Every parent, every teacher should know what is called learning audit. To begin with, a child from pre-primary, that is grade 1 and 2, then primary 3, 4, 5, then we could say secondary or middle school 6, 7, 8. They should have the skill of reading in language as well as English, writing in language and English. This is must for each child according to the level of this grade. What happens? What will happen? It's common. There are some children, they will not be very fast. They are little slow. That is by nature. By nature, there are some children, they write slowly, they read slowly. That is point number 1. And there are some children, without training, they do not read, they do not write. That is second one. Now, one more category we have, though training is given, it will take a long time for them to read and write clearly. So, these 3 kind of children are there, kids are there in all the levels. So, how to arrest these issues? What a school should do, what the parents should do. This is very, very important point to ponder upon by the parent as well as school. Each child has to face one academic audit, that is learning audit. So, a piece of paragraph should be given to the child should read within the space, within the time allotted. Based on that, we have to categorize the children. Grade A, grade B, grade C. We have to categorize. The first level, very fast, quick, errorless reading and writing. These children immediately we have to expose them for various competitions, writing, extempore, public speaking. We have to expose these children. So, they will shine. We have to give opportunity for the children, those who are in A grade. The same way, we have to analyze the grade B children. Grade B, why they are in grade B? One is proper training, proper attention by the school, proper attention by the teachers, or proper attention by the parents. So, teachers, parents, they have to stand together to make these B grade children to A grade. Clear? Now, here in this B grade, there are some children, without encouragement, they won't do that. So, the teacher as well as parents join together, we have to give some opportunity, some academic discipline to the children to overcome this issue. For them, it is not a problem at all. They should be trained to have an academic discipline. That's it. They will do. So, very naturally, this B grade will come to A grade. And here one more sector, in B grade, therein now these children, they have to be given little push. They have to be little push, we have to give certain training to the children. If we give certain training, sure, these children also will come to A grade. They should come to A grade. And one more category we have to accept. There are some children, they will take long time to go for. These children, we have to go for special work. We have to motivate them, encourage them, and tactics, simple tricks we have to teach them, and we have to give continuous practice also. When this happens, these C grade children will come to B grade. When they gain confidence, they will be promoted to A grade. This should happen right from pre-primary. So, when these pre-primary children are not doing, if they are coming to primary with this deficiency 3, 4, 5, you should be arrested. Before the child starts travel to middle school, secondary level, we have to get arrested these issues. Otherwise, the problem the child faces in middle compartment is immense. It will become. So, the learning audit should be done even in 3, 4, 5, that is primary compartment. It should be done. We have to rectify the corrections, errors over there. Then we have to forward our children to grade 6, 7, 8, that is middle compartment or secondary compartment. We have to. So, secondary compartment, that is 6, 7, 8, the curriculum is vast. If the child stutters over there, very naturally she or he becomes a late bloomer. So, we should not give way for that. So, the school Vidyalakshmi does all the proper work, rating the children A, B, C, and we are giving special classes, special discipline, special activities for the children that we have to do. Now, it is very easy. Now, the children are at home. Now, the parents have to support the children based on the guidance given by the school. For example, now we are going to post an assignment to the children. So, one page they have to read, then that video should come to the school. The same way, one page they have to write within these 2 minutes or 3 minutes, stipulated time, that image should come to the school. So, then we will read, we will view and we will analyze where the child is, and accordingly we will come back to the parent, we will group the children and we will correct these issues. Okay. So, once again I say, grade C children should come to B, B should come to A should go to public speaking, not only speaking, writing also. That is how this should happen. So, all these issues should get arrested in this level, that is pre-primary and primary level itself. Middle school, if there is an issue, that should be 100% should be arrested, otherwise the child will travel to high school, pre-board, therein now. So, pathetic it is for the child will lose the confidence. So, I kindly request all the parents, especially young parents of pre-primary and primary compartment, be vigilant. Online classes are on, it goes on very effectively. Apart from that, whenever we are sending you parents report, we are sending therein now what has happened in the class session wise, we are giving you. Just go through all these things and then sit with your child, whether the child is completing whatever it is taught, whatever the homework is given. If it is reading homework, reading, writing means writing, everything should be done. Please look at our parent report group. Then apart from that, so we would send you this learning audit plan. Please abide by and send it back to us. Let us join hands to support our children. That's it. Thank you.